Hi kids, Mr. Began here. I'd like to give you a little bit of a demonstration of how to do the penny drop experiment or investigation. So you can do this at home yourself and maybe have a little fun exploring. It's a really simple investigation to do. All you need is paper towels to clean up, a glass of water, cup of water, and an eyedropper of some kind. In science, we call these pipettes. They are disposable eyedroppers, but if you have any kind of eyedropper at home, that'll work fine. If not, hopefully you can get one of our pipettes to do this too. You also need a penny, or more than one if you wish. So what we're going to do is very simply see how many drops of water can fit on a penny. And we just need to get some water in the pipette or eyedropper, and then we need to carefully put drops in the center of the penny and count how many drops we get before it spills over the edge. Now I like to do this on a paper towel for two reasons. One, it kind of prevents a big mess from happening, but secondly, when the water spills over the side, I can easily tell that the paper towel is getting wet and I know that I'm losing the water. That's time to stop. Now some tips for doing this. You don't want to be putting your eyedropper right on the penny when you're doing the drops, because if you do, you can't see the individual drops. They mix together. You need to be a little bit above the penny. Don't do it sideways. If you do it sideways, you'll find that the drops are different sizes when they come out. So you want to be straight up and down, and your hands are going to shake a little, so it's best to rest your elbows on the table. You want to be a centimeter or two above the penny and squeeze gently and count the drops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If you start getting air bubbles, let go of the pressure and start again. 7, 8, 9. I'm aiming right for the very center. If you move too much over to the side, you're going to do something like this, and all of a sudden you've wrecked that trial. So you should do that trial again. What I'd like you to think about is, how many trials should I do before I know how many drops will fit on a penny? Is one trial enough? 2 trials? What's a reasonable number of trials before you know you have a good, accurate answer? The other question is, what if I tried a different liquid instead of water? If you have the opportunity to do this, I recommend that you try, here's a couple of choices for you. Try rubbing alcohol, if you have some at home, and try soapy water. Just put a few drops of dish soap in the water and stir it up. Those two should give you slightly different results. Give it a try yourself.